talking shit, undead vibe, yeah, we never quit. Tear this place down, burn it, brick by brick. We're talking shit.
To whom it may concern, at Jollibee. Didn't have to guess for long, did you? I hope this message finds you well, because your food certainly did not find me the same way today. Allow me to begin by congratulating your establishment on achieving something I previously thought impossible. Creating a dining experience that felt like a third-rate Temu knockoff of actual fast food.
Yes.
Truly, it takes effort to miss the mark this consistently across food quality, pricing, and presentation all at once. Let's start with the food. I'm not entirely sure what culinary philosophy guided today's meal, but if the goal was lukewarm disappointment with a side of regret, then bravo!
Yes.
The texture was questionable, the flavor forgettable, and the overall experience felt like I had been sitting in an existential crisis long before it reached me.
Talking shit, undead vibe, yeah, we never